This is a quick screencast of what I do when I want to copy material or content from one course to another. First, I go to the course that I want to put the new information in other words, copy to. So I'll go to that course, then I'll go down to settings, and over on the right it says import course content. So I'll click on that. And then copy a Canvas course. Choose which course I will copy from. So I'm going to copy from my yearbook here to my online. And then I will click select specific content and then import. Then I will go to select content, the little blue button on the right. Then I will decide which ones. Most of the time I end up doing modules. I'll do like a module in my kids that come here, for my kids that come here for fourth period. And then I'll pull that in when I finish it into my other course so that they will match. So that's basically what I do. It's been real successful so far. It goes to the bottom of modules, but then I can kind of scoot it up, which is what I'm going to do anyway. I hope that helps, but let me know if this is not what you want or if we can figure something out.